Picture yourself in the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Chevrolet Trax, the compact SUV that lets you navigate the urban landscape with efficiency and sporty style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. See how much fun it can be to drive a car that's designed with your urban lifestyle in mind. Take the Trax out for a spin